Hankai,
Yes, ma'am.
get me the can.
This looks like a regular can, but it's not. And of course, it's not filled with soda. This is a container of your time. Once you hold this can in both your hands, your time will be sucked into it and saved inside it automatically.
Sounds complicated.
I'll give you this special offer for only 66 Taiwan yuan.
Okay, here's... reasonable.
Sold!
Oh, it's warm. So what's gonna happen now?
The can is sucking your time now. When it gets heavy enough, open it.
But let me remind you. Here, let me put this simply. The weight of this can is the weight of your time. Even if your wish doesn't come true. Once you use up the time inside, the can will bring you back to the present. That means the time you're in right now will be lost forever.